The TPS, or Telephone Preference Service, is the UK's official Do Not Call register for landline and mobile numbers. The TPS is regulated and enforced by the ICO. Registering your phone number with the TPS allows individuals or businesses to opt out of receiving unsolicited sales and marketing calls. As a result, any company making either sales or marketing calls in the UK is legally obliged to check if a number is on the Telephone Preference Service. If you breach the TPS rules, you may be fined up to £500,000, depending on the severity of the breach. Dozens of fines are issued every month by the ICO office, and so this is a real risk for companies that make outbound sales and marketing calls. At Switchboard Free, we offer a TPS Protection Service that will alert you if you call a number registered on the TPS. To enable this feature, head over to the Switchboard Free website and log into your account. Select the drop-down menu for upgrades and navigate down to TPS Protection. Then, simply press Enable Now and select the users you wish to be protected. You can also choose which of your users are protected via the My Users page by simply toggling the TPS protection switch on for your desired user. This is a premium service and so requires a small monthly charge to enable the feature across your account, plus an additional small amount per user. There is no long-term subscription required, and this feature may be turned on or off at any time. To edit this feature's settings, click your account icon in the top right corner and navigate down to TPS Protection Settings. You will be greeted with 3 prevention options that you may choose from. Warning will play a warning message alerting the caller that the number they're ringing is on the TPS.
Please note, the number you're attempting to call is on the TPS.
Warning and action gives the same warning message and also requires the caller to press the star key to continue the call. This option is our recommended choice.
The number you're attempting to call is on the TPS. To continue, please press the star key on your handset.
And block simply stops the call from being put through altogether.
The number you're attempting to call is on the TPS. Calls to numbers on the UK TPS database have been barred by your account administrator.
Finally, you may add one or multiple email addresses, and if using more than one email, separate each with a semicolon, to be notified every time a TPS registered number is called. However, this is only necessary if you believe there is a high risk of a regulatory breach. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to be notified of our future videos.